Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I don't know where you guys are, but now I'm in Australia. It's a bit cold here. And today, for someone who has Sony mirrorless camera and uses the battery type NPFC 100, I have a recommendation. If you guys running out of battery and you need something backup, something reliable that you go event photography or wedding photography or any situation. So I have this product here for you guys, and this only costs you 92 Australian dollar from Amazon. So this one comes with three battery, one charger, and one small cable. So the three battery, each battery has 2280 milliamp capacity, and the charger has a screen and can be charged from USB-C and USB mini, like the old school. What's the good thing about it? I'm gonna mention the good thing about it. I use this batteries in an event situation. It gave me really good battery life. It's not as good as your Sony original battery. It's definitely not good as original battery, but for emergency situation, it definitely worth the price. If you have Sony mirrorless camera, I really recommend it because it also comes with three batteries. Even like if you have other Sony batteries, you can charge it through this charger. This charger is not really fast, but it also depends on the power pack you have, like how many watt the charger gets to this charger. So then it can charge it quickly. But for me, it's been really great product, and I really like it. Even it shows on the screen that you if the batteries are full or not. For example, you record this video and at night time or anytime, you put the batteries here, you plug it in a power bank or somewhere, then the batteries are charged, it will show it on the screen. Then you have a peace of mind and you put it in the back and you have a reliable battery system. So I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know if you guys need any like budget tip for camera accessories, because I'm a person who always look for budget accessories for my camera, like the tripod, microphone, and the stuff. If you guys want to know about my gear, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I hope you guys like it, and see you guys in the next one.